back to it. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I went to IntroMovieMaker and I got stuck. What? So I'm gonna be opening it. Yeah. You can open it. Here, Kaylani. That's the Stitch slime, and I'm gonna be opening this lemonade stand thing. There's 2 layers. I thought this was like a different slime, but it's jelly. Come to my seat. Come to my seat. Yay. Subscribe. Yay. Yay. Oh yeah, and I also got this cup with this fruit thing. Yay. It's not really a stretchy slime, it's like a jiggler slime. Okay, I'm putting it in here. Because when I drop the bag. And then next thing I have is this tablet chicken. I got this all from Five Below, link in my bio. We went to Jersey, what? Yeah. And this is a tablet squishy. And they have these little cute balls to go on it. It's a sticky one. Wow. Don't get it dirty, please, because I'm taking it to school. Last time I brought a ball of tablet squishy. Why y'all didn't get slime? Y'all wanted bow arrows, balloons, stuff like that. Not these, because this is going to get messy. And this is the last thing I got, which is the cup. I'm going to use it for different things. I can put food in here if I want that.
Yeah, let's try
It says sweet. Wow. Oh, sweat-proof. Cup holder friendly. Something. Keep hot and cold. High quality stainless steel. And here's stuff on the back. Yeah. How should get on the table? And I'm just wait, I'm taking it out. Oh, there's straws in the bottom. Yeah, like that. This is not straws. This is not. Y'all can play with it. Here. It has a little jiggle texture. It's not really like a slime texture anymore, just because of